Hello guys. Today I'm gonna show you how to edit your photographs like professionals do in Adobe Lightroom and get the preset which you can use whenever you want. Do not forget, you also can download the preset on our website, presetstore.com. The link is down below the video. Just pay your attention to the right top corner, where you will find the password which appears twice during the video. Also, we made the same color correction for video. So now you can have your photo and video content in one style. Which is awesome, isn't it? You are able to use this loot in any video editor you got. Premiere Pro, After Effects, DaVinci Resolve, Final Cut and even VN Editor for mobile phones. You can find the link to the video loot down below in the description. Guys, if you need the preset right now, if you have no time to watch this video and repeat after me or look for a password to download it for free, you can just go to our website presetstore.com and find your favorite color correction there. It's not for free but it's worth that. Every presets contains from 3 to 6 versions for PC and mobile platforms of Lightroom. Check it out guys. Let's get started.
I'm finally tired of all the standing by. Never said that I was perfect, but I'm willing to try. Let me show you what I'm made of. I am so much more than my mistakes.
And I'm finally tired of all the standing by.
Never said that I was perfect, but I'm willing to try.
Let me show you what I'm made of. I am so much more than my mistakes.
Yeah.
And I'm finally tired of all the standby. Never said that I was perfect, but I'm willing to try. Let me show you what I'm made of. I am so much more than my mistakes.
And I'm finally tired of all the standing by.
Never said that I was perfect, but I'm willing to try.
Let me show you what I made of. I am so much more than my mistakes.
I am so much more than my mistakes. So much
Well done. Presets ready. The result is just awesome. I hope you got the same one. If you like this color grading, probably you'll like others which we have many on our channel. Just check it out, and you will find something for you. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.